Do you want to speak English fluently? Welcome to English Talk Tales. Learn English with easy conversation. Let's start the video. Ria, what happened? You look so confused.
Mom, I am very struggling with English grammar, especially present tense. My teacher explained present indefinite tense, but I still don't understand it properly.
That's okay, dear. Present indefinite tense is actually very simple. You just need to understand when and how to use it.
Really? Because it feels very confusing.
Don't worry, I will explain everything step by step with examples. By the end, you will feel confident.
Okay, Mom, please start.
Present indefinite tense is used to talk about daily routines, general truths, habits, fixed schedules.
Can you give simple examples?
Of course, I wake up at 7 a.m. You go to school. She drinks milk. We play in the evening.
Oh, these are simple sentences.
Yes, exactly. Present indefinite tense is the most basic tense.
Mom, what is the structure?
The structure is subject plus base verb plus object. Example, I eat food, you read books, they play cricket. But there is one important rule.
What rule?
When the subject is he, she, or it, we add s or es to the verb. Example, he eats food, she reads book, it runs fast.
Oh, that's why my teacher said she eats, not she eat.
Exactly. That's very common mistake. Let's take your daily routine. Tell me, what do you do in the morning?
I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth. I take a bath. I eat breakfast.
Perfect. All these are present indefinite sentences. Now I will say about you. Ria wakes up at 6 a.m. She brushes her teeth. She eats breakfast. See the difference?
Yes, when you say Ria or she, you add S. Mom, how do we make negative sentences?
Good question. We use do not with I, you, we, they. Does not with he, she, it. Examples, I do not eat junk food. You do not study daily. She does not drink milk. He does not play football.
So we don't use S in negative.
Very smart. Yes, we use the base form of the verb. Let's practice. Do you wake up early?
Yes, I wake up early.
Do you drink milk?
No, I do not drink milk.
Does your friend study daily?
Yes, she studies daily.
Very good.
How do we ask question?
We use do for I, you, we, they, does for he, she, it. Example, do you play cricket? Do they watch TV? Does she cook food?
Oh, so does is used for singular.
Exactly. Let's imagine a real situation. You meet a new friend. What will you ask?
Do you live nearby? Do you like English?
Very good. Now I will ask about someone else. Does your brother play cricket? Does your mother cook tasty food?
Yes, now I understand. Mom, I feel much better now.
See, it was not that difficult.
Yes, I just needed clear explanation.
Let's do one last conversation. What do you do every day?
I wake up early. I go to school. I study my lessons. I help my mother. I play with my friends.
Very good. Now I will say about you. Ria wakes up early. She goes to school. She studies her lessons. She helps her mother. She plays with her friends.
Thank you, Mom. Now I understand present indefinite tense clearly.
I'm glad to hear that. Just practice daily.
Yes, I will practice every day.
Remember, practice makes perfect.
Yes, Mom.
Thanks for watching. If you want to improve your English, practice daily. Watch more videos like this. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Keep learning, keep growing.